Almost half the world's population is in lockdown. The volume of confirmed cases has risen at a dramatic rate, and so has the number of fatalities. Novel coronavirus, or COVID-19, has spread across the globe with devastating effect. Thermo Fisher Scientific's scale and depth of capabilities have never been more vital, and our mission? To enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer has never been more important. But let's take a look back. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in Wuhan, China in December 2019. And we were there. On January 6th, our Thermo Scientific Techni Spirit transmission electron microscope was used to characterize the pathogen. Over 1,200 boxes of our reagents and assays were then fast-tracked so researchers could rapidly develop tests. Meanwhile, scientists in Australia used our Applied Biosystems Seq Studio instrument to sequence the virus's genome and provide the roadmap for a diagnostic test. On January 30th, the World Health Organization declared a global emergency. And we were there. Our Thermo Scientific Krios electron microscope was used by a team of researchers from the US to show the first three-dimensional structure of the coronavirus spike protein, key to understanding how to target the virus. By February 19th, 14,000 new cases were reported in Hubei province, and we were there. In March, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 to be a pandemic. Our real-time PCR test, which diagnoses the virus in 4 hours, was authorized by the US FDA for emergency use. It then received the CE mark in Europe, and now nearly 50 countries are authorized to use our test, which is based on our gold standard technology. As the virus spreads globally, we are producing more than 5 million of our COVID-19 diagnostic tests per week. At Thermo Fisher Scientific, we remain at the forefront of the fight against coronavirus. We're providing personal protective equipment to keep healthcare workers safe. We're modifying our production lines to make components for ventilators and produce hand sanitizer. We're partnering with pharma and biotech customers who are working on many of the top projects to develop COVID-19 treatments and vaccines. And that's just the start. There's a long way to go. But as one team, committed to our mission, we will prevail. We have much to be proud of.